If you're looking for a legitimate way to make money online, in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact way that I was able to generate over $500 in a single day working about an hour or so from my laptop. Welcome back to the video, my friend. Now, before I dive into exactly how you can plug in and more information on how I did this, I want to share with you some real proof so you can see, you can listen to me and you can watch this video, especially towards the very end, because I'm going to share with you something really powerful. So as you can see right here, in a single day, okay, December 2nd, which was actually yesterday at the time of recording this video, you can see right here that I actually made $550 in a single day. Okay, this money came in. I worked only about an hour or so, and this money flowed in while I was out hanging out with my friends and family, and I was actually doing some shopping. Okay, now how exactly did I do this? Well, it's very, very simple. All I personally did was I copy and pasted ads on social media, okay, sites like Facebook, sites like Twitter, sites like Craigslist, sites like Instagram. Every time I posted an ad and someone responded to that ad and bought the product, I actually got 100% commission instantly deposited into my account, and this will transfer in about 24 hours directly into my bank account. Okay, so who exactly is this for? Well, you may be watching this video and you may be thinking, okay, this is great and it sounds easy. I have a social media, I have a Facebook, I have a Twitter, I could create an Instagram. Maybe you don't have an Instagram, you can create one. I can copy and paste ads, but who is this for? Like, what if you've never done anything like this before? But the great news is, my friend, I never did anything like this before either. I didn't always make over $500 a day working about an hour or so. I didn't always, was able to travel, which I'll have some videos pop on real quick. And this was, San Diego. This was Houston, Texas. I was able to go kayaking. I was able to travel on the beach and relax while this opportunity that I'm sharing with you in this video was running for me. Because once you set up and follow exactly what I'm revealing to you in this video, there's no reason why you can't also have money coming in while you're out living your life. I believe in working smarter, not harder. So how exactly do you find out more information and get started with the same opportunity? And how do you access these copy paste ads? Well, it's very simple. What I'm going to do is I'm going to include a link directly below, or you can head to easyonlineprofitsystem.com. That's my own personal website. When you head to that website and you request access for more information, you're going to find out more information on the opportunity. You're going to see more proof, not just of myself, but of people age 18 years old all the way to 80 years old from all over the world. Doesn't matter what your country you're from, doesn't matter what your background, doesn't matter what your technical ability. If you can follow simple step-by-step instructions, you're coachable, and you're hungry for success, there's no reason why you can't also create results for yourself. Okay, so after you go to the link below, you're gonna see that there's actually 3 levels you can join at. And once you pick a level and join at that level, what I want you to do is go to my Facebook, which I'm going to include a link directly below in the description, and I want you to shoot me a message letting me know that you got started. Okay, I'll go ahead and check to make sure that you joined, and I'll go ahead and add you to our private Facebook group. We have over 7,000 people in our Facebook team group, just like you and me, that are every day posting in there. They're posting questions. People are getting help, getting support. So you're going to actually be able to get the answers that you need. If you join and for some reason the step-by-step video training that you get access to isn't 100%, you don't know one little tweak, simply post a question in our Facebook group and either me or one of the other leaders in there will instantly reply with the solution so you can start making even more money. And as you can see right here on the screen, I'm constantly on my Facebook, which again, feel free to even add me or follow me. I'm almost, up to 5,000 friends, so you may have to just follow me like 7,000 other people do. But basically on here, I'm sharing constant proof. Like this girl right here messaged me, she made $125 today, and she's never made that much in one day. This team and training is amazing. And I said, that's so glad to hear that. And I'm constantly sharing results. I'm constantly sharing, information, proof, and just motivation. This was San Diego as well, on how people can do the same thing. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video, my friend. Be sure to head to that link, that website, check it out, and get started today if you're serious. And I look forward to working with you. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next page.